Hello, Dan the Weatherman here. Hey, welcome to my weather show. This is where I take a look at the weather across New Zealand for the coming week, and we have one heck of a week weather-wise. It's going to be a blast of winter, then things do quieten down. Looking at the wide shot, the globe to start with, clearer skies over Australia, but if you look closely, you can see the blast of colder air that is heading out of the Southern Ocean. And this particular one is coming literally from the Antarctic ice shelf. This is the cloud, the yellow being the cloud, and I'd like to put the streamlines on to show where the cloud is moving from. That, of course, is the first piece of the front. This is the change, colder change, and you follow these lines from straight down south. And the lumpy stuff here, that's the real meaty cold air that drags that colder air down. And of course, as that tracks in, that could be bringing those wintry showers with snow to near sea level across the far south. This is the upper level map showing what's going on. Red is quieter weather, blue is energy, and there's that squeeze, that surge of energy that's going to help generate those wintry showers, but also boom, bring it banging into the far south. It's going to be quite gnarly as we start off the course of the week. This is how we look starting off Monday. This blue line, by the way, that's about a snow level of 1,000 meters. You can see how it drops down below that. It could literally be right close to sea level, and with some of those heavier showers, that could even drop it down too. Squeeze there, strong to severe gales. So watch out as we run our way through Monday. That squeeze there, there'll be troughs working in with those wintry showers. Notice by Tuesday, that will ease through. Then we lose that blue line. That tracks across, the high comes through, there'll be showers to the east of the country going through Wednesday and Thursday, and then we finish off with high pressure. Less cold air going back to a northerly, and by next weekend we've got a sliver of high pressure in between two different areas of low pressure across the country. But it's really going to be rainfall-wise, bits and pieces on the first surge down south. Of course, some of it could be some snow, first snow, perhaps Queenstown and to the interior, but not loads up the east coast. Remember, it's a southwest flow. This is with the next system next weekend onto the west coast, 50 to maybe 100 millimeters, everywhere else 20 to 30, but we've had a lot of it already. And of course, the big thing will be the cold, it'll be the frost, and the wind chill. This is Monday. So wintry showers. Could be sleety in Invercargill, Dunedin, heads up the suburbs, and inland above 100 meters it could be plain old snow. And watch for accumulations. Queenstown, you're going to use the shovel and the ice scraper. But notice Mackenzie Basin to Christchurch, with that flow you're sheltered. It's more central Otago to Southland and Fiordland, and that squeeze, strong to severe winds, damaging winds, that zone there goes offshore, and you could see more of those wintry showers Monday night into early Tuesday. Snow level still pretty low, but it starts coming up through Tuesday during the day. Showers to the east coast, damaging winds going away. And Tuesday's really the last nasty wintry day. We've got a cold, of course, frosty one going into the course of Wednesday morning. Still some showers, rain showers probably by this point on Wednesday, Thursday. They're moving up the east coast of the North Island. You catch your breath over the South Island, but probably one of the colder mornings, Thursday morning, believe it or not, with the ridge axis, which means clear skies, light winds, some -2s to -4s or even 6 in some places to the interior south. Showers up the east coast, and then later in the week, of course, that is a few showers with the easterly flow to parts of, say, eastern Northland, Auckland, and then on the other side, northwest flow, less cold air in towards the west of the South Island. So it's a real gnarly one to start with, and then of course by next weekend you've got the ridge. That means it's quieter, otherwise mostly dry. And as I say, temperature-wise, we'll start off the week for some spots down south. You'll be lucky to see some 6s and 7s for highs during the day with that cold blast. Further north, 12s to 15s for highs. That surge goes through. Watch where the blue goes, colder than normal air. It goes across most of the country through mid part of the week. Then as we go west-northwest, the orange is air above normal. See how some of it mixes in? That means we're getting back closer to normal. Cold, frosty mornings Wednesday and Thursday, and then most of us at least getting back to double figures as we finish off the week. But look at that plunge of cold. The next system, straight in there into Australia. So there's a bit of everything going on this week. Stay warm. That's the weather for now.